guys, what's up? So there's been this thing for a while. I don't know if it's been a while. I don't know if you guys do it or not, but sometimes for like Christmas parties, they do like ugly Christmas sweater themes where everyone has to wear an ugly Christmas sweater. And apparently ugly Christmas sweater doesn't necessarily mean it's like an ugly sweater. It just means it's like those Christmassy crazy sweaters. And I found one, you guys. This is the Santa on a Harley, and it says live to ride, ride to live on the sleeves, and I thought it was so cute, so I picked it up and I wanted to do a makeup look specifically for those of you, the guys that are doing the ugly Christmas sweater parties and that you have to wear an ugly Christmas sweater. I think this look looks so cute. You can still look glam and cute, and this particular one is so freaking cute. This could totally be paired up with like a black leather leggings or like black skinny jeans with black boots, and it would be super cute with your glam look. So you don't have to look ragged when you're doing the ugly Christmas sweater party or when you're wearing one. I think these are so cute. Anyway, so I kind of was inspired by my sweater and I wanted to do something very pink, reddish, and just something really beautiful and glam, and I went all out. And I hope you guys like how this look turned out. I think this is just a cute, this would be just a cute Christmas look as well. Totally cute. And so I hope you guys really like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Also, don't forget to subscribe, to hit the notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. And yeah, here we go. I'm starting out with some primer. I get so many questions about this. This is the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base. I'll try to link it below, you guys. I do get like a ton of questions about this primer. So Kathleen Lights just recently revealed her next collaboration with ColourPop, like the holiday look, like just yesterday. She had like this pink eye on, and so that's kind of what I'm playing off of, like a pink red. So of course we're gonna use the Ring the Alarm palette. That's what we're gonna use, I think. Instead, I'm gonna go into the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm gonna go into Still Shot. Just like a very light peachy color is what we need to go into the crease. Something peachy. You can grab a blush, any peachy color that you have. Putting that above the crease, more into the transition, like closer to the brow. Then I'm gonna go into solely this palette. I'm gonna go into Rush right here. Put that in the crease. Actually, let's do Mugshot. Just to kind of help define that crease, because I have like semi-hooded eyes. Then I'm gonna go into this color, which is Bomb A. This is a PG channel. Bomb A, you know what I'm getting? You know what I'm saying? This like red color, this red pinky color, and I'm putting that in all over. Then I'm going to get into this and that same color and blend out the edges. This is a blending brush. This is the Sigma E36 crease brush. I'm going to go back in and make sure that the color is packed on the lid still nicely. Then I'm going to get into Lolly and pack that on as well in the center part. I'm going to use whatever's left on this brush that I used earlier to buff that color out and just make sure it's all blended. Then I'm going to get into a pencil brush, and I'm going to get into Framed right here and mix it a little bit with Secret, these two dark colors, and get that close to the lashes. Okay, I'm going to take a pink eyeliner. This one is from Sigma. This one is called Line Ace. It's their pink eyeliner. But first, I I'm going to put a black in the tight line. Onto this eyeliner. Perfect liner I've ever done, like the most perfect wing ever. Okay, so next onto the face, foundation. This is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. You guys, they just came out with a ton of shades on the Catrice website. I will link it below. I got Natural Beige, and this is the first time that I'm trying that one. I know at Ulta, they still have only 4 shades. This is the Mario Badasco spray. I know that that's the case, but they do have more shades on their website, so go check that out if you want to try it. This is a great foundation. So I'm gonna shake it up and I'm gonna try it, and hopefully it kind of works out. I'm gonna first put some orange concealer like on my under eyes and on this little pimple here. I'm gonna just drop it on my face because it's just the easiest thing for me. Okay, yeah, I think that's gonna be like the perfect match. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, this is like my perfect match, you guys. If you're my skin shade, Natural Beige is my perfect match. Looks fantastic. I am so excited, you guys. Yeah, it's like perfect. I love how it looks. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't even put a primer on. I forgot. Dang it. I was gonna put a primer on. I am going to contour. This is just the LA Color contour stick. I'm just gonna contour slash bronze using these 2 shades in the BH contour palette. Let's continue on with the face, shall we? So I'm going to grab very simple, grab whatever peach you used and put it in the lower lashes. So I'm grabbing this peach and I'm just gonna stick that in the lower lashes. And then I'm gonna grab a tiny bit of Balmain right there, and I'm gonna smudge that as well. That's pretty much done. You can pop on lashes, do whatever you want. I'm gonna do lashes because I think lashes just look better. The lashes I'm gonna do are these Pure Cosmetic Bombshell lashes. These are so gorgeous and glamorous. These are some of my favorites, so I'm gonna put these on. Okay, so I popped on the lashes. Instant glam going on. Instant glam. Okay. Yeah, I love this foundation. It's so freaking pretty, but you can still see like my bruise. Oh, all right. Moving on to blush. Blush palette from BH, and I'm getting into this one right here. I feel like this one would be perfect. Just a tiny bit. For a highlight, I'm of course doing the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. Let's pop that on with a fluffier brush so it's not too crazy. Okay, this is the NYX Liquid Suede in LSCL 07. That's what I'm gonna use. Oh, I love this. I'm just gonna blend that out with my finger. Revolution Supreme Matte Lip Pigment in Facade. It's just like a lighter color. Any lighter color. Any lighter color you have, pop in the middle. Last but not least, spray your face and then you're done. So I hope you like this makeup look, you guys. I hope you think it's cute. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys have done or are going to do like the ugly Christmas sweater party. It's basically just like where the family wants to all do ugly Christmas sweaters and take a picture. Or if you guys have ugly Christmas sweaters, let me know down below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys later in another video. And yeah, that did not make sense. That outro was terrible. I love you guys. I hope you guys are having a really great holidays. And I guess I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.